How you going, guys? Steve here from Australian 4x4 Adventures again, and I fit the freaking awesome exhaust in my car. I have to say from the get-go, this is a bit of a sponsored video, so Torqit Exhaust have given me a fair discount on the exhaust to do it. I approached them, they didn't approach me, so I wanted the product. They've just helped me out with the price a fair bit to get it on the car. Just being up front. Cool, so I've got the twin 3-inch exhaust into a single 4-inch pipe at the back of the car. The loud version, there's two versions, the quiet and the loud, so one's got a muffler, one doesn't. Both meet regulations, so it's all roadworthy still, so that's the main reason I went for this one. I'm just going to show you how to install it at home, because obviously there's plenty of videos out there how the professionals do it on a hoist. I wanted to show you guys how you do this thing at home if you bought one. How do you do it on your floor? Granted, I've got a factory, so I've got a bit more room, but I don't have a hoist, I've just got basic tools. I do have some mates who are giving me a hand, so let's have a look.
So you're gonna. I don't think we got new donuts, did we? So you'll have to use a screwdriver to try and ply all those rubber donut push things off exhaust hangers without damaging them.
Where's that WD going?
So you can slide them over the pin.
WD do the same trick?
Yeah.
Got it. There you go. So a little bit of lubricant on the little rubber holders helps get them off. And the first part comes out nice and easy. Apparently I put a dent in it. What's next? Nope, now I'm doing it up. Yep. What's with the spring ones?
The spring?
Yeah. Is it a movable joint, is it?
Yeah. It'll
spring apart?
So it'll flex without busting turbos and shit.
Come back a bit. One more up here.
Fancy.
Look enough room to sit up under you, mate. Great.
getting smaller as we get closer.
There's heaps of room under here now. So much room for activities. So many bits.
Useless part number 7.
So many mufflers.
That's a cat.
No, too many cats. A long extension and a uni joint.
So it's like a pull 4 other fucking items out there and take the next 2 hours. Best we consult the instructions.
The 14mm bolts retaining the passenger side dump pipe bracket using the ratchet with long extension, bar swivel and a 14mm socket. Undo the 14mm nuts holding the dump pipe onto turbocharger. Remove dump pipe. Repeat set 5 for driver's side dump pipe. So it's just saying a long extension and a uni joint.
Yeah, sounds like it. Okay.
We'll trust the instructions. I'll get on there.
It's too good for your home.
Something that didn't fit in there. Oh, that was gross.
Oh, look at the stereo too.
Oh, my neck muscles. So I've deviated ever so slightly from the instructions. I found it easier to get to the 3rd bolt on the turbo by taking the little plastic guard off on the side here. And you can get to that last bolt nice and easy. How cool does this thing look? It's nice anodised blue for the heat treatment. It just kind of looks cool, really. So that's good enough reason to buy it right there. Alright, so we're going to start putting this side back in. We haven't got dump pipe is on the other side yet. But I figure while we're working on this side, we'll get this one back in.
Are we trying to put that?
Yeah, put it back on first.
You don't reckon put some goo on it?
No.
I didn't look like it had any goo, but you really don't want the...
Where's the instructions? We'll just double check.
You really don't want the exhaust flange to leak, because it really does cause some problems.
Under the installation side,
actually doesn't mention any of that.
nothing about goo.
We'll just pop it back on. There we go.
See that old?
I've
I've got to get under this. Got to get under this.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So you have to feed it.
Okay. Turn it. Yep. That's on. It's getting tight now.
Look at that, looks tight to me. You can see that gasket, just. It's so much easier to get to now. No giant fucking...
Cat.
Yeah.
No cats.
The cat's in the cradle in the silver spoon.
I believe it's the peaking moon. The cat's in the ladle of the peaking moon.
Oh no!
What have we done?
I dropped the fucking bolt and it landed up here. Oh wait. Oh. Is that like the find of the century?
Yeah, probably.
Yes, it was.
Don't jinx it. Because you'll have the lose of the century soon.
Yeah.
The
use it.
Yeah, spread it.
That looks like it works. Sounds better.
Thought it'd be low. Forward.
So that sounds heaps friggin' meatier. That's awesome. Love it. I think I've got the just the flange on top of the exhaust. I've got to bend up ever so slightly. That's it. Other than that, it's actually been a really easy thing to fit. Two more minutes, guys, and I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of what it sounded like before and after. Which I know what you're all really after. Just the sound of this thing is just phenomenal. I want to take 2 minutes though just to explain why I got this system. There's a couple main reasons why. One, this system sort of suits long-range tanks down the track, because that is a thing that I want to get down the track. The only one this particular system doesn't suit is the ARB poly tank, because it's got essentially a 7-inch diameter for the exhaust where it comes out. It just gets in the way of where the poly tank sits. But Brown Davis, Long Ranger, all those sort of well-known brands all fit up, no dramas at all, with this exhaust the way it is, which is pretty important to me there. Also, there's a 10-year warranty with the exhaust, which is great as well. And the fact that it's still road legal, it meets the sound level of what you have to for this particular car. So that were the main reasons I wanted to work with Torqit. I think their product is fantastic. Having dealt with I actually done most of it all through Facebook, of all places. Having dealt with them on that level and on the phone, pretty good to deal with. Like easy going people, just down to earth. I don't know if they're four-wheel drivers or not, but they just seem like good people to deal with. So I'm pretty happy with that. The build quality of the exhaust is, I reckon, second to none. It's what did I say? It was double welded inside and out for all the flanges. I think it was. I'm not a welder, or metal guy. I nail wood together for a living. So double welding for all the brackets. Easy to fit at home. Like we installed this thing in like 2.5 hours between three of us, and one of us was holding the camera pretty much the whole time. So 2.5 hours to do it on your floor at home. That's pretty good and easy to do. I think the hardest part was just getting to the turbo bolts, and as you've seen in the video, taking off the side flanges or side water guards underneath the guards. It's heaps easy to get to that last bolt. Once we figured that out, it was nice and easy. If you're going to do it though, especially if you've got a 200 series, go buy new clips straight away. $30 for a set of clips for the front end of those guards. They always break when you undo them, so I just bought new clips and replaced them that way. Nice and easy. So this isn't actually a review video of the exhaust. So this is more of an install side of it. So if you're thinking about buying one of their exhausts and you're trying to save a bit of coin by fitting it yourself, this hopefully explains to you how to do it, how easy it is, approximate time, some tools, a basic rundown of how to do it at home on your floor. A couple of mates, have a few beers. Good as gold, really. So hopefully that helps out for the review video, which will more cover how it sounds on the outside of the car, how it sounds inside the car, what it's like when you're towing, what it's like at highway speeds, in full driving, more sort of the everyday driving, and see if it does any differences there. Also what the wife thinks. Obviously it's pretty important what the wife thinks of the car. If it's too loud and she doesn't want to be in there with you, that could... wait. Other big thing that was a big selling point to me as well, Torqit actually say that you're getting around about 28 extra kilowatts at the wheels and nearly 100 newton meters of torque just by adding their system, because you're freeing up essentially the backlog of exhaust gases in the car, and you're making it run freer and easier, so you get more power. I haven't put it on a dyno to test that myself, but that's what they claim, and I'm sure they've done testing for it, so should be good. Mine may or may not be slightly different because I've already got the Safari tune on there. It might be a bigger difference, it might be a smaller difference, but that's what Torqit was suggesting I should be getting. Having driven it a little bit, yeah, it definitely feels like it's got more power. It feels great, I love it. Other than the review video, if you want to hear this thing, obviously future trip videos are always going to have it now because it's on the car, so all my trip videos in the future, this thing's going to be burbling away in the background. I'm bloody impressed with how it sounds, which you'll find out in about 10 seconds. Special thing for anyone who watches this video, all of the Torqit products, if you mention this video or my YouTube channel or something like that, when you're ordering your products, Torqit's been kind enough to offer my subscribers and viewers a 10% discount. So just that alone's worth it, really. So enjoy, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video for me if this is what you're into. I put a new video up every single Wednesday. Some of it's this stuff, some of it's trip videos. It's all about off-road adventures and camping. Enjoy, guys. This thing's awesome.